Welcome back to the DIY channel, All Around Auto Techs. 2013 Infinity QX56. We're doing the radiator. I've already taken off 4 bolts to take the cover off. 1, 2, and then there's 2 on the other end of it. That bolt here, here, of course up here is where it bolts. You take that off, then get a screwdriver, Phillips. Start to let that drain, and then you're gonna have to take this fan off, and also the hose. I'm gonna let it leak all the way out though before I do that, and then at some point we're going to have to take off this fan, so unclip stuff from the fan, whatever's clipped on the side here. At the top too, there should be some bolts. We're gonna have to take this fan clutch off in the middle. Leave it to 10. Then we'll come back.